Let's play billiard 8 balls against the computer. Computer is very good. It's my turn. These 2 balls will be here in the corner. Good. Next, 3 ball will be here. We will be hitting the bank shot here so that it will only hit this part of the ball, then it will go inside. See? I learned a lot from Efren Bata Reyes, my fellow countryman. So next is the 5 ball here in the corner. Let's try. Oh, this will go inside. See? Whoop, yeah. By the way, I have to put in all the solid color balls. Okay, next is I have to hit this 6 ball. Oh my God. I think I did a bad shot. See? It's a bad shot. So the computer won. So I have to hit 1, 4, 6, 7. 1, 4, 6, and 7. Where's the 1? How about the bank shot? We'll go here, then we'll go here. Oh, scratch. This one. Here. Good.